Hey guys, I'm so excited! Look what I got today. Ding, 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 ding. I'm so excited. Okay, so real quick, if you don't know what a Scentsy whiffbox is, it is a special subscription box that you can get for $30, and it includes all sorts of goodies. It is like a box that Scentsy put together with like special things. So it contains, every month is something different. So this is my first one ever. We just released it in September. Hello to whoever you are. All I see is little eyes. So if you want to say hi or give me some thumbs up or something, let me know who you are. But yeah, so this is the first one that I've ever gotten. They just got released in September. They can be ordered via a party if you choose to, and I have no idea what's in it. So I wanted to do this live unboxing with you guys. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Look at the packaging, first of all. Super cute. The box itself is huge. Look at it. Like legit. There's tape all around it. So give me a minute. But I'm so excited. So, hey Lisa. Oh, thank you. It's not a cruise, but it is a trip. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Ooh, it smells amazing, you guys. So first things first, take a look. How is that? That's such a sweet welcome. Look at that. Scent with love. I love it, love it, love it. And it's also in like Spanish, French, and Dutch, maybe? I'm not sure. Maybe you can help me if you're watching. But it smells amazing. And then guess what else? Look at this. They're so cute. It's like a big old heart. Oh, I love it. Look, I love how like, hey Sam. I love how, you know, we take pride in everything we do. Like, who does that? It's all about the love, you guys. Look at this. Okay, so is this a glimpse of what's inside my whiff box? I don't know. I'm so excited. Okay, and then look at the beautiful packaging. Guys, it smells amazing. Somebody has to come up with smell-o-vision. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so first thing, we've got Go-Go Mango in a hand soap. Yes, 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 yes. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite fragrances. It's fruity and fresh and so good. I am excited about this. So excited. And then, ooh. Oh my God, you guys. A Blue Grotto bath bomb. Are you kidding me right now? Hey, baby. My honey babe is watching from upstairs. Guys, if you have not seen our amazing bath bombs, I mean, take a look at this. Look how huge it is. It is as big as my hand. All of our bath bombs are handcrafted, so I can't wait to use this one. I'm so excited. Smells so good. Now 2 for 2 so far. Go-Go Mango and Blue Grotto have been two of not only my favorite, but two of the big favorites this season. Wow! I'm so excited about this one. Oh my God, you guys. This is our brand new bathroom cleaner. I've actually ordered this separate because I had no clue that it was gonna come up in a whiff box. So this is a brand new product that was just released. It's all plant-based, you guys. Oh my God. So it is guaranteed to remove that scum and that grime in your bathtub. So I can't wait. And hello, lemon verbena is the scent. So I can't wait. I'm so excited. Thank you, Scentsy. I mean, hello. And then I've got a box of goodies. Usually, whatever it is that's wrapped in this wrapping paper is usually wax. So, see what we got. Ooh, I have Amber Hollow, which is the scent of the month for September. So a full-on bar of Amber Hollow. Yes, Lisa, that smell is amazing, right? I know you got it in counter clean, didn't you? Then I have what they call Scentsy pods. So this has never been released before, you guys. Look at them. Oh my goodness, you've got lavender cotton. So they're pretty much pots of wax that you can either probably cut in pieces and put in your warmer, or you might put the whole thing, but it's huge. It's a lot of wax. So that's awesome. And then I have one for porch pumpkin. Hello, live. Not pork, porch pumpkin. And then we also have butter pecan. Wow, I'm so excited. And then, that's not it. And then I have a red cedar sage scent circle. So you guys, take a look at this. This is well worth the $30. Let me just say. And it's guaranteed to change every single month. Look at all this goodness that I got for 30 bucks. Hello. Now, if you are APO or US territories, there is a flat fee of $10 for shipping. If you are in the US, in the continental US, then it is free shipping for you guys. So how cool would this be for like Christmas, or just as a cute like goodie bags to give to like your family or your friends? Amazing. You get to choose, and not to choose, sorry, you don't get to choose, but you get to share like most of our amazing products that will change every month with all your favorite people. I'm so excited. I'm totally gonna subscribe to this, just so you know. So this is gonna have to be a thing that I get every month, because I cannot wait to see what comes in every whiff box every single month. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I can put more information on how to subscribe for the whiff box, but whoo, this is so worth it, you guys. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And keep your eyes glued to this page, because in the next few days, I'm probably gonna give you my first impression of our brand spanking new bathroom cleaner. All right, guys, as always, have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you really soon. Mwah!